Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students, and welcome to the English class. Today we are going to start with new lesson, that is 4.2, The Luncheon by William Somerset Maugham. Okay, this is very humorous, funny lesson, and I am sure that you all will like and you all will enjoy it. So let's start with the warming up activity, the luncheon. I'll explain you everything, but first have a glance at the warming up activity. See, children, this you will have to do on your own because all questions are personal. So I can't give you the answers. So you will have to write it down on your own. I'll just explain you what exactly is there. Talk with your partner and discuss the following questions. Have you ever been invited for a lunch to any hotel by your friend? See, कभी आपके किसी दोस्त ने आपको लंच के लिए इनवाइट किया है in any of the hotel? Nowadays, it is very common because students, friends, they give their birthday parties in the hotel. They call their friends for the dinner. They call their friends for the lunch on their birthdays. So this is very common. You might have gone. You might have, experienced this with friends. अगर नहीं है तो फिर आपको no लिखना है वहाँ पे. But मुझे लगता है कि आप गए होंगे and you might have enjoyed the lunch with your friend in the hotel on a specific occasion. Okay. What was the occasion? Then you have to mention the occasion, whether it's a birthday or any other celebration. Fine. कुछ और है, शायद birthday है or friendship day or any other celebrations like कि वो he has received or he or she has received good report card. Okay. So what is the celebration that what is the occasion that you have to mention over there? Third question, did you enjoy the lunch? Of course, when we are with friends, we can enjoy anything. Yes? Yes, friends are the basic need. We can say this. Okay, तो जब हम friends के साथ हैं तो obviously हम enjoy ही करेंगे. Did you enjoy the lunch? Why? You have to mention why. I will say I am not getting bothered or I am not interested in lunch, but yes, I will enjoy it because I will be I was with my friends. Yes, I was surrounded by so many friends. So obviously, enjoyment is the basic thing which happens there. Discuss in pair. People with foibles are often not conscious of them. Do you agree or disagree? Why? Foibles means they have some disabilities, not disabilities, they have some problem in their character. उनके अंदर कुछ कमियां, कुछ खामियां होती है, बट वो कभी उस बारे में कॉन्शियस नहीं होते. डू यू अग्री और डिसअग्री? बाय सपोज a person is having a tendency of talking very loudly, but that person doesn't understand that he is irritating others. Okay, तो इस तरह की जो आपने कभी ऐसे इंसान को देखा है क्या? तो प्लीज़ शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस. आर यू अग्री और डिसअग्री? और वो लोग ध्यान नहीं देते कि दे आर टॉकिंग सो लाउडली, बट व्हेन अदर्स डू द सेम देन दे स्टार्ट सेइंग व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, यू आर टॉकिंग एट द टॉप ऑफ योर वॉइस, एंड दे डोंट लुक एट देमसेल्व्स व्हेन दे टॉक. Okay, so this is the tendency of the people. Number 3 question. As you know, every country has its own currency. Find out the currency of at least 6 countries along with their exchange rate in India. With the help of the internet, one is done for you. For example, Switzerland franc. 1 franc equals to 66.73 INR. See students, this is the old textbook और there मतलब textbook का भी थोड़ा time तो हो गया है, तो I don't think so that this ratio is correct. So I cannot give you the answer because you will have to search this from the internet. I have ready answers but still I am not 100% sure because it keeps on changing. हम सेम आंसर नहीं दे सकते क्योंकि ये करेंसी के जो है ये बदलते रहते हैं. तो इट्स बेटर यू फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम दी इंटरनेट ऑल्सो. करेंसीज, डॉलर्स आर देयर. ना डॉलर्स कहाँ के? अमेरिकन डॉलर्स आर देयर. देन there are many other countries. I'll just show you the image, but please don't copy the exchange rate because this is incorrect according to me. See, US dollar, England pounds, Japan. See, these are the currencies, but the ratio is not up to the mark because it's changed now. Okay, let's start with the beautiful chapter, the luncheon. keep a pencil in your hand and keep writing meanings, and the same meanings you will copy in the notebook. Don't ask me, teacher, from where should I write the meanings. You keep on asking. Why I am telling you the meanings? Because I want you all to write the meanings in the notebook. ओके मैं मीनिंग्स क्यों बोलती रहती हूँ कि आप टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखो एंड सेम मीनिंग्स यू विल कॉपी इन द नोटबुक. स्टिल चिल्ड्रन आस्क मी फ्रॉम वेयर वी शुड राइट द मीनिंग्स. आई हैव गिवन सो मेनी मीनिंग्स. फाइन, चलो हाथ में पेंसिल ले लो और तैयार हो जाओ. द लंचियन. नाउ वी ऑल आर फेमिलियर विद द लंच, बट व्हाट इज दिस लंचियन? Okay, this question must be coming in your mind. So luncheon means a formal lunch. Okay, suppose we have a meeting, or we have any discussion related to professional matters. So people, they call their client for the lunch and they have a discussion over there. So that is a formal lunch that will be called as luncheon. ओके मुझे कोई डील करनी है, मेरा कोई क्या बोलेंगे, क्लाइंट है, कुछ तो काम है जो ऑफिशियल है लेकिन अभी ऑफिस में नहीं मिल सकते, तो कम ऑन वी विल हैव अ मीटिंग एट द लंच, देयर वी विल डिस्कस. तो दैट इज लंचियन. समझ में आया? इट्स अ फॉर्मल लंच व्हेन द पीपल आर वेरी फॉर्मल, दे आर प्रोफेशनल्स, व्हेन दे कम टुगेदर, व्हेन दे हैव अ लंच on the basis of their work, that is called luncheon. I hope you all have understood. Let's see who is the writer. William Somerset Maugham. I'll show you his picture. See, this is the author, William Somerset Maugham. He was born in 1874 and died in 1965. Mashallah, very huge life. Now see, was a distinguished. Distinguished means he was a different kind of a person. British playwright means he used to write play. Novelist, he has written many novels. Short stories also he has written. He was among the most popular writers of his era. Era, the particular period, है ना, कोई भी एक particular time बोलते ना. The eras of 90s was very very beautiful because we were kids at that time. So I always say that yes, the era of 90s was very good. So era मतलब एक particular period. The era of 70s, the era of 50s. The most popular writer of his era and reputedly the highest paid author during the 1930s. See, कितनी पुरानी बात है. And he was the very highest paid author during the 90s 30s. Means he was the very well known, renowned, बहुत ही famous था कि उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पे किया जाता था. Now we all see movies, yes or no? Even you see movies. So there are many actor and actresses. Some are very highest paid actors, है ना, जैसे कि we have all three Khans. They are the highest paid actors in the Bollywood. Highest paid मतलब सब में ज़्यादा पैसे वो लोग चार्ज करते हैं. तो similarly he was very well known, very famous. That's why he used to charge very high payments. Okay. His work is characterized by a clear, unadorned style. His work is characterized means the specialty of his work was unadorned. Unadorned means he never used to make changes in the script. He never used to do artificial things in the writings. His writing was very pure, very simple, है ना. उसमें बहुत मिलावट नहीं होती थी, हम बोलेंगे ज़्यादा फालतू की एडिशन नहीं होती थी. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई दैट्स अ ब्यूटी. ओके, तो ब्यूटी वॉज देयर इन हिज राइटिंग्स बिकॉज ऐसा लगता था कि एकदम नेचुरल है. ओके. Cosmopolitan. Cosmopolitan is a word which is used for, see right over there, all types. मतलब क्या है? All types of cultures. He was aware of all types of culture or different kinds of knowledges. So not knowledges, different kind of languages. Cosmopolitan बोलते हैं जिसको, मतलब he is aware of American language, he is aware of British language, Indian, मतलब it's a mixture of all kind of languages and cultures. Means the person is aware of all such thing. That is called cosmopolitan. ठीक है. all type, वो हर टाइप की लैंग्वेज अपनी राइटिंग में यूज़ करते हैं. See, London is also called as cosmopolitan city. Why is it so? Because there are many different kinds of people who stay in the London. There some are belong to England, some are belong to India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Kenya, West Indies. All मतलब different, all over the world people are there in the London. That's why it is called as cosmopolitan. Similarly, in India also, Maharashtra, we can say it's a cosmopolitan, because you will see many migrant people from all over the country comes there, है ना. इसलिए देखो, हमारी मराठी लैंग्वेज होने के बावजूद देर आर मेनी डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस विच पीपल स्पीक्स, बट व्हेन वी विल गो टू सम अदर स्टेट वी विल नॉट सी द सेम थिंग. वी शुड अवेयर ऑफ द लैंग्वेज ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर स्टेट. बट इन महाराष्ट्र सब चलता है, हिंदी, मराठी, गुजराती सब कुछ चलती है. क्यों? क्योंकि इट्स अ कॉस्मोपॉलिटन. ओके, ऑल ओवर द इंडिया पीपल आर देयर. आपको हर टाइप के लोग मिलेंगे महाराष्ट्र में. ऐसा आपको इंडिया में दूसरे कोई भी स्टेट में नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, बिकॉज महाराष्ट्र इज कॉस्मोपॉलिटन स्टेट. समझ में आया? सेटिंग्स. एंड shrewd. Shrewd means very sharp, very clever, understanding of human nature. A most delightfully humorous narrative. Delight means happy, which gives pleasure. Humorous, funny. Narrative, The Luncheon. ये बहुत ही ह्यूमरस है, मज़ाहिया है. The Luncheon is a slice of life story about Morgan's luncheon date proposed to him by a woman whom he hopes is a supporter of his art. Okay, it's a story of the writer's life. Okay, he came across through this situation when he was invited for the luncheon by one of his you can say fan also, one of his fan. Okay, or the supporter of his art. What is his art? He is the writer, so his art is writing. उसका आर्ट क्या है, उसकी कला क्या है? वो राइटर है. और उसी की एक फ़ैन जो उसकी राइटिंग्स को बहुत पसंद करती थी, उसने उसको लंचन के लिए बुलाया है. ओके, नाउ ही इज शेयरिंग हिज फर्स्ट डेट एक्सपीरियंस विथ हिज वन ऑफ हिज फैन. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. I caught sight of her at the play, and in answer to her call, I went over during the interval and sat down beside her. It was a long since I had last seen her, and if someone had not mentioned her name, I hardly think I would have recognized her. She addressed me brightly. I caught sight means मेरी नज़र पड़ी. I just have a glance at her in the play. Okay, he was there somewhere in the play. He's watching the play and he just had a glance on that particular woman. Because that woman, but she recognized and she gave a call. मतलब बुलाया उसने, पुकारा या इशारा किया. She gave a call. She recognized him very well, but he was unable to recognize. Okay. It was long since I had last seen her, because it's a long time when he met that particular female. So he was unable to recognize. ये पता नहीं कौन है ये लेडी जो मुझे हाथ दिखा रही है. If someone had not mentioned her name, I hardly think I would have recognized her. She addresses me brightly. अगर वो खुद अपना नाम नहीं बताती या कोई नहीं बताता तो शायद मैं पहचान ही नहीं पाता कि वो कौन है. But she addressed me brightly. Okay, see students, if after 20 years, if you will see me, if I will alive inshallah, if you will see me, so it will be very easy for you to recognize me? Obviously not. Some will recognize me easily, some will take time. So same thing happened with the writer here. But वो female ने उसको पहचान लिया. Well, it's many years since we first met. How times does fly. We are none of us getting any younger. Obviously, nobody gets younger. We all get older, right? Well, it's many years since we met first, the female is saying. How times fly. We are none of us getting any younger. Do you remember the first time I saw you? You asked me to luncheon? See, the female is saying, आपको याद है हम पहले कब मिले थे? You asked me for the luncheon. आपने मुझे बुलाया था लंच के लिए. Then poet in a funny way he is saying, did I remember? Means, yes, he cannot forget that incident. But he is purposely saying this, did I remember? मतलब कुछ तो ऐसा हुआ था कि वो भूल ही नहीं पाया. ठीक है? So this is very cunning. In a cunning way, the poet is saying, did I remember? It was 20 years ago and I was living in Paris. Who is talking this? अब ये पूरा इंसिडेंट उसकी आंखों के सामने आ गया. किसकी? पोएट. ना पोएट इज रिकॉलिंग ऑल दी memories of that particular luncheon. It was 20 years ago and I was living in Paris. Who was living in Paris? The poet. I had a tiny apartment. Tiny, very small apartment. Apartment, flat का एक कमरा या जो भी छोटा सा फ्लैट का रूम होगा. And I was earning barely enough money. Barely enough money means गुजारा हो जाता है जैसे. ओके, ज़रूरत के हिसाब से. not much, but yes, गुजारा हो जाता. She had read a book of mine and had written to me about it. See, as we discussed, he was the writer and she was one of his fan. Okay. I was earning barely enough money. She had read a book of mine and had written to me about it. See, students, I told you before also, in 1930s, 1940s, mm, the way of communication was writings. People, they used to communicate through the masses through their writings. है ना, बुक्स की तरह वो क्या करते थे, लोगों से कनेक्ट कर पाते थे. नाउ वी हैव मेनी अदर वेज ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन, बट दैट टाइम न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड नॉवेल्स, magazines, these were the ways of communicating with the people. So here also he was the writer and he used to write. So in reply, she expressed her feeling and she said she wanted to meet the writer because she is one of the fan of writers writing. ठीक है. She had read a book of mine and had written to me about it. I answered thanking her, and presently I received from her another letter saying she was passing through Paris and would like to have a chat with me. ठीक है, वो फैन है और अभी वो मिलना भी जा रही है. But her time was limited and the only free moment she had was on the following Thursday, and would I give her a little luncheon at Foyot's afterwards. Foyot's is a restaurant and it was so far beyond my means. See, she suggested that she is passing through Paris and she had a very little time on Thursday. So she's just asking, can we meet on this particular restaurant for luncheon? Because I am your fan and I would love to meet you. I would love to talk to you. She's saying this. Okay, the name of the restaurant is Poyot's. This is very, very expensive restaurant. And Poyot was, you know, it was far beyond Poet's means. मतलब वो इतना afford नहीं कर सकता था. He couldn't afford the meal of this particular restaurant. This was very, very hi-fi, very rich restaurant. See, you might have seen this scene in many of the movies, है ना, where heroine offers hero the lunch or dinner in a very expensive restaurant and he doesn't have that much of money. You might have seen this scene in many of the movies. ये बहुत सी पिक्चरों में हमने देखा है कि पैसे नहीं होते हैं, बड़े रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं, फिर बाद में उन्हें बर्तन धोने पड़ते हैं. ऐसा हमने देखा है ना. A restaurant and it was so far beyond my means that I had never ever thought of going there. Okay, क्योंकि वो तो थोड़ा बहुत कमा लेता था और उसने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इतने बड़े रेस्टोरेंट में कभी जाऊंगा. I had 80 francs, gold francs. It's a currency to last me the rest of the month. See, पूरा महीना उसको चलाना है 80 francs. And a modest luncheon. Modest means अच्छा खासा heavy lunch. Luncheon should not cost more than 15. This is just a judgment. It's just a prediction that the if a expensive and good lunch also if I'll prefer to my guest, it will not cost more than 15. Okay, so he was just doing all these things, all the arrangements before he meet the female. If I cut okay, and he said चलो 15 francs में मेरा काम हो जाएगा. If I cut out coffee for the next 2 weeks, I could manage well enough. But what he has to do, he will have to ignore coffee. He would have to avoid coffee for 2 weeks. उसको 2 हफ्तों के लिए कॉफ़ी नहीं पीनी पड़ेगी, तो वो पैसे वो यहाँ मैनेज करेगा. सी, like this he has to manage, means this is the calculation of the poet. Okay, and now he is fine. Okay, चलो चल जाएगा. Let's see what happens. I answer that I would meet my friends at Foyer's on Thursday at 12:30. Okay, and he said yes, we will have a meet over there. She was in appearance imposing rather than attractive. Okay, I answered that I would meet my friend at Foyer's on Thursday at 12:30. She was in appearance imposing rather than attractive, and she gave me the impression of having more teeth, white and large, and even then were necessary for my practical purpose. See, his poet is very funny what he's saying. She was very well ready. See, you can see the female pura long gown pehna hua hai. She is looking very ready and she was doing show off that I'm very ready, I am very hi-fi, like this. She was showing this kind of attitude. Usually the girls, they show So he was saying that I'm very beautiful, I'm very attractive, like this she was showing, but she was not looking like that. जितना वो ओवर स्मार्ट बन रही थी वो वैसी बिल्कुल भी नहीं लग रही थी. Okay. She was imposing rather than attractive. She was not at all attractive, but she was trying to become attractive. Understood? And she gave me the impression of having more teeth. उसको ज़्यादा दांत थे? No. इसका मतलब क्या है? She was giving him a very broad smile. पूरे दांत दिखाकर ज़बरदस्ती की fake smile वो दे रही थी. And large, and even then were necessary for my practical purpose. ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा ही इतनी बड़ी बड़ी ज़बरदस्ती की स्माइल दे रही थी. शी वॉज लुकिंग एब्सोल्युटली फेक अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोएट. ओके. शी वॉज ओवर ड्रेस्ड अप फॉर द लंचियन. ओके. बहुत ज़्यादा तैयार हो गई थी जो ज़रूरत नहीं थी. ओवर ड्रेस्ड अप, शोइंग ओवर एटीट्यूड, showing more attractive, but she was not looking at all attractive. She was not she was average looking girl, like. Okay, so he was not impressed. She was trying to impress him, but he was not impressed. Okay, let's see what happens next. Like this, they met each other and they went inside for the lunch. She was talkative, but since she seemed to want to talk about me, I was prepared to be an attentive listener. Sorry, she was very talkative. As you all know that we all are girls, we are talkative. So she was just like us, and she keep on talking, and the author was not so interested in listening, but he was pretending that he is very attentive. I was startled. Startled means shocked. When the menu was brought. See, the terrible moment. जब मेन्यू आया तो ये शॉक हो गया. क्या क्यों हुआ होगा? Obviously, the rates would be very high. For the prices were a great deal higher than I had thought, but she reassured me. You know what? All his calculation was failed here. He had some calculation in his mind, and that's why he was prepared for this particular restaurant. But when he saw the menu card, he was it was very terrible situation for him. His planning was totally failed here. बट शी रीअश्योर्ड, मतलब वो उसको एक दिलासा आश्वासन देने लगी कि नो नो डोंट वरी करके, ऐसा उसने लुक दिया उसको. I never eat anything for luncheon, she said. What she's saying, she doesn't eat anything for the luncheon. Whenever she has a professional meet, she doesn't eat anything for the lunch, she said. Do you think it is possible? We are going in the restaurant and not eating anything? She said like that. Oh, don't say that, I answered generously. The poet is saying, अरे नहीं आप मेरी मेहमान हो, ऐसे मत कहिए. Softly he said this. Generously, softly. I never eat more than one thing. She said, I never eat more than one thing. People eat for too much nowadays. Okay, she said, लोग बहुत कुछ खाते. First she said she will not have anything. Then she's saying, I will have one thing only, not more than that. Nowadays people, they eat so much, but I eat only one thing. A little fish. Perhaps I wonder if they have any salmon. A little fish. एक छोटे से fish खाऊंगी मैं. Perhaps I wonder if they have any salmon. Salmon, it's one of the fish. Salmon fish है ये, बहुत popular है. हमारे यहाँ इंडिया में आई थिंक सैल्मन फिश इज कॉल्ड एज रावस फिश बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी मराठी में. I'll show you the picture of that particular fish. See, this is the salmon fish. Okay, I think I should stop here because I'll continue tomorrow. The lesson is very big and it's already very long video, so we'll continue this tomorrow. I hope you all liked it. Okay, please read the lesson carefully, students. See, you can see this kind of a luncheon they had. Okay, like this she used to write letter. Then they met finally where? In the Foyot's restaurant, and then she ordered salmon. What happens next we will see in the next lecture. Okay, till then read each and every line carefully, write meanings in the notebook, and I am sending you notes also. Please write down all the notes in the English workbook. Thank you so much, students, for watching the video. Take care of your health, take care of your family, wear mask, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.